Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for coming back. I have not recorded a video in so long, only because like I wasn't feeling it and I had nothing to record about, and I don't know, I'm just kind of boring, so I just didn't know what to do. Even though this past weekend I wish I would have vlogged, because I did go to Lake Travis with my family and that was so much fun. I wish I would have recorded that, but I didn't get to, so whatever, I'm starting over. I recently got a camera, so I hope the quality and everything is better. The sound is better. So today I'm gonna just take you guys along with me today, and I'm gonna go to a gun range, and I don't know what else I'm doing. I'm gonna try and do a little more things that I could kind of entertaining. We'll see what happens, so let's just go. Oh, I'm gonna go with my cousin Katie and her family, and I'm with my cousin Katie all the time. She's like my best friend, so you guys will be able to meet her today. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Let's just get going. So this is my outfit for the day. I just have like a black shirt that I tied, some Topshop jeans, my little shoes that were in my last video, and that's it. Oh, and I just got this necklace from Forever. Super cute. It's like 3 layers. And that's it. Let's go. Waiting for Katie because she takes 10 years. Hurry up, Katie. Hurry up.
This one doesn't have a safety. It's just straight your trigger. You either cock it or you can just pull it. So that's how that one works.
So once it the amount of people here is crazy. Shoes. Oh my god, that guy looks real. Look how real. This is how big I want my boyfriend, my next boyfriend. Like, he is so big. Hello, Bo. Okay, so we got to the gun place, but Katie forgot our ID, so we have to go all the way back to her house to get it. And this is Katie. Hi, everyone. She's my cousin, basically my best friend. And yeah, that's her. She'll be in my vlogs a lot. Well, we're here. Hopefully my ID's here. Yeah, it better be there. It better be there. And that's my little baby. It was there. Woo! That was a fail. Where are they? We are ready to shoot some people out. Look crazy, but it's okay. Fail.
You saw that one vlog with Jesse and Gina?
I know, he's cute. They're scary. The little birdie water. The little Dirty, dirty water. Hello, friend. So we have a dilemma. We have 2 bicicletas. And we need 3.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Look, I don't know how to talk to you. I don't know.
And we're done. How was it? Katie and Vanessa. That's Vanessa. Katie. It's a beautiful skyline. And this is me.